Happy New Year, everyone! I'm back with a new video today. It is a vlog style. It's kind of different from what I usually do on this channel, but I wanted to start off the year with something experimental. Right, so here's the brands I'm using today. This is definitely my first time experimenting with GAMBLIN. And the other brand I'm using here is my good old classic Georgian. It's cheap, it's efficient, you get a lot of it in one tube, and it does a good job. So the colors I'm using today are titanium white, cadmium yellow, cadmium red, and permanent blue, I think it's called. So I'm just mapping out my midtones, and after that I'm just going to get the background filled in. Usually when I have the background filled out, it tends to help me get more accurate colors on my main subject. Alright, well, let's talk a little bit about what I'm looking forward to this year. This year is going to be a big one, I can definitely tell you that. And I'm planning on traveling quite a bit this year, so maybe I can show you guys where I go and capture my travels. And along with that, I just really want to invest more time into YouTube, really putting myself out here and branding myself as an artist. I do also want to get a website running up. I do have one right now, but I need to change the style and really need to change what I have, all the content that I have on that website, and really promote that. I recently bought a tablet. It's the Wacom Intuos drawing tablet, I believe. I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can check it out. But it's just a beginner tablet that I thought would be useful to have as an illustrator. I'm also excited to experiment with some digital software. The font that I use in this video is a font that I personally made using a website. I can do a whole video on that if you'd like. And so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog style video, and I hope you continue to support me in my journey. I'm really hoping that this will work out, but I'm going to try to upload once a week or once every 2 weeks, and hopefully hit it big on YouTube. No, I'm joking. It's not about the money, guys. It is about having fun and really branding myself and seeing what it is that I can do with a camera, my art, and YouTube. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys again in the next video. Stay tuned and let me know what you thought of this video in the comments down below. And let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. I'm always open to that. Ciao!
Today.